How the radio pioneered the Kadazan idea in British North Borneo. E.F. Tenderhull. In 1953, Radio Sabah began transmitting a few hours a day in English, Malay, and Chinese to 2,700 holders of radio licenses. The first broadcast in what the government called Dusun program was in 1954. At the beginning of 1957, this became institutionalized as a daily program of 15 minutes, and the Kadazan people responded so enthusiastically that this was raised progressively to 30 and then 45 minutes per day by the end of 1957, and 14 hours a week by 1960. The inspiration for much of this success was Fred Sinidal, later Datuk, an enthusiastic Kadazan broadcaster from Penampang, who took his Kampong program around the villages broadcasting the music of local artists, talks on old customs, and news. While the majority of programs in the other languages were relayed from outside sources, the Kadazan program was wholly indigenous, with over 60% in the form of local music groups, some of whom walked up to 60 miles for the opportunity to record. This immensely popular program, though recording people in a variety of local dialects, did much to popularize the idea that they were all part of a single language group called Kadazan.